Check uniqueness for a specific value in each column. Suppose I have a pandas.dataframe df similar to this. Now there are specific values that I want to check against that data frame. Let's call them. For each candidate I want to check if it is unique to each column of my data frame. It may occur in multiple columns. Desired output for this set of candidates would be a data frame with Even better was if instead of true it returned the number of matches, i.e., 2, false, 2, 1. I think I'll have to use pd.dataframe.apply, however I can't figure out how to check only for the candidates or how to bring the result for each column back together. Maybe something like df.apply pd.value_counts.tcand, is lower than or equal to 1 is a good starting point which delivers a pd.series with true or false for each column.
Let's use dataframe.deq to create a boolean mask corresponding to each of the candidates, then use sum to get total count of occurrences in each column. Finally use .lt plus .all to check if it's unique in all columns.
I change your idea, added dataframe.reindex for filter by list, then compare for greater like 1, test if at least one row and invert mask by last convert series to 2 column dataframe.